Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Apple Watch Series 5 Nike edition in black. This particular size is the 44mm. Let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. Right, guys, let's talk about the features on this Apple Watch Series 5. All right, you have your always-on Retina display. You can look at the time or whatever it is on your home screen without having to raise your wrist or tap the screen. Sick, right? So, boom, race, or you don't have to. You can just chill. I think that's a pretty cool feature. Now, Apple is claiming the new always-on display won't drain the battery life. All right, so you can have it with that peace of mind to know that it's not going to drain your battery. That's a definite plus. Who wants to have an Apple Watch and halfway through the day it's drained? You can't even use it. Now, however, there are some that say they haven't been affected by this. It does drain the battery, but I know Apple did come up with a fix, a patch. It should not drain the battery. Definite plus. Now, the Apple Watch Series 5 does come with a lot more storage than the Series 4. I believe the Series 4 comes stock with 16 gigs, whereas the Series 5 comes with an amazing upgrade of 32 gigs. So if you like to listen to music, you like to store it, you don't like to carry your phone with you everywhere, this is the definite way to go. Series 5, 32 gigs. Amazing. Now, the Series 5 also comes with a built-in compass. All right? Now, if you often hike, you would love this feature. Now, the compass does display your elevation, incline, longitude and latitude, and of course, the direction you're heading in. So if you happen to get lost and you want to know north, east, southwest, with the Series 5, you're good to go. Now, the compass does work without Wi-Fi or cellular connection. So if you happen to purchase the GPS only, the compass will still work. You don't need to have a cellular connection. Now, if you bought the Series 5 or the Apple Watch for emergency reasons, check out this feature. So the ability to make emergency calls internationally is an amazing plus. So the feature does require you to have the cellular model, unfortunately, but an amazing addition, because if you do rely on that fall detection, if you have it activated, it will call out even if you are an international country. Amazing. Apple Watch Series 5 comes with two new material designs. All right. So for the added premium look and feel, you can purchase the two new added materials, titanium and ceramic options, for obviously an added cost. Battery of this watch can get about 18 hours per charge. Now, I have used my watch for, I want to say, the greater portion of the day, and I still have about 56% by the time I go to bed. So, amazing battery life. So one of the biggest features that I love about this Apple Watch is to be able to have the ability to pick up phone calls without having to lift your phone. All right, to be able to quickly, on a whim, flick your Apple Watch and be able to pick up a call. Now, you're probably thinking, how good can the Apple Watch deliver when it comes to a phone conversation? The speaker on the watch is fairly small, but you know what? We're going to give it a test, all right? I'll give you a demonstration to see whether or not my contact can determine if I'm using my iPhone or my watch. Let's give it a shot. Call Murad Ahmed.
Calling Murad Ahmed. iPhone.
Speaker's fairly loud.
Hello?
Hey, Mur, what's up?
What's up? Not much.
What's going on today?
Not much. I'm at home.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, let me ask you this. How is my voice clear to you?
Yeah.
Does it sound like I'm far? Does it sound like I'm echoing? Or what does it sound like?
It sounds normal, clear. Why? What's up?
Okay, all right. Does it sound like I would be normally talking on my iPhone, or?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Why, what's up?
No. Because I'm actually I'm doing a YouTube video right now for the Apple Watch Series 5. So you're actually in my video while I'm doing a test on the audio quality for the Series 5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? How do you like it?
I like it.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let me call you back. Thanks, buddy.
I like, bro.
Okay.
No problem.
Bye. All right. You heard it. Okay, so it turns out, as you can see based on that conversation, audio is phenomenal. Now, it could have a different experience if you're outside. There's a little bit more traffic noise, wind, that sort of thing. But so far, it sounds amazing. Quality's great. The speaker is definitely a lot louder than the Series 4. That about wraps up the Apple Watch Series 5 Nike Edition. If you like the content, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and obviously drop a comment down below.